Hanoi. We are now in Karanaa, man-made lagoon. This is actually the water treatment area of Qatar.
This is where they treat commercial and domestic water product from Doha, and they have actually made it into a lagoon. And as you can see, there are several wildlife. Whenever there's a body of water, I think it naturally attracts wildlife. So,
Because of the fish.
Because of the fish. So there's actually tilapia in the lagoon. But I think it's a really good way to attract wildlife. There's foxes around, there are birds, several kinds of birds.
Migrating birds and local birds.
Migrating and local birds alike.
And by the way, this is how you will appreciate Qatar, because they are called
biodiverse,
saving the earth. Okay.
We are here with our cameras to try to capture some of them, and we're going to share them with you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Thanks. So, Kuya Bong here is actually a wildlife enthusiast, and over the course of his wildlife hunting through the lens in Doha, would you believe he has actually fractured 2 ribs chasing after a fox to get a good photo. We're probably going to ask him to let us borrow the photo so that we can show you the amazing shot he did take eventually when he caught up with the fox.
During the winter months, we can see a lot of migratory birds, usually coming from Europe and some Africa. And the most common one that we usually see during those months are usually flamingos.
Flamingos! There are lots of migratory birds that stops over for Doha for feeding so that they can continue flying to the...
During winter season, they come here. During
Also,
summer,
These are only the local birds that you'll see here.
It's mid-morning and we are about to go home. That's it for today's adventure. Thank you for coming on with us in this small adventure here in Qatar, our second home country. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below if you're not yet a supporter of our channel so that we can continue making videos like this. As always, we appreciate